Hello, this is Tom Brewer from Gordian, and today we're talking about planning ongoing facility maintenance and repairs. It's a huge challenge. How often should a repair be done? How much should you budget for maintenance? How do you manage all this without going crazy? With RSMeans Data Online construction estimating software, that's how. Let's take a look. Start by choosing an existing estimate, or create a new one like I am. Change your cost data preference to facilities maintenance and repair. RSMeans Data Online contains about 1,700 repair and replacement assemblies, so if you can think of a repair, you'll find it. I'm going to select a plumbing assembly. Everybody's got plumbing. Just like that, we have our repair frequency, the required crew, and of course, the cost. You can even compare the cost of having your in-house team complete the project and subbing it out so you know what your options are. Now, you might look at those totals and say, why does it cost that much? RSMeans Data Online will show you. Click the assembly number, then click details on this little box here, and you'll see the tasks and labor hours for each repair. Need to set your preventive maintenance schedule? You can do that too. Just switch cost data to preventive maintenance to see your costs and click details to see tasks. And it's totally customizable. You can add, edit, and delete tasks as you see fit. And as always, you can save, print, or export to Excel to share with your team. It is possible to manage your maintenance and repair schedule and maintain your sanity with RSMeans Data Online. Shop rsmeans.com or contact our sales team today.